Unobhala we-IFP eGauteng u-Alco bese uthi kwadingeka ukuthi enze ngathi ushonile ngesikhathi behlaselwa ngabantu abangaziwa ngonhlaba bese hostela ibuya futhi beqhuba umkhankaso weqembu.
After being hit by a bullet on the side of my head, I went down quickly and pretended to be dead. And because the blood was all over my face, and I went down, I kept quiet while they were busy shooting other colleagues of mine.
Kulesigameko kwabulawa iphini likaSotswebhu we-IFP uKhethamabala Sithole. Kanti-ke kubikwa ukuthi abasolwa abathathu sebeboshiwe kanti amaphoyisa asathungatha abanye. Ungobese uthi lesigameko simhlukumeze kakhulu empilweni yakhe.
You know, to see one of your comrades dying in front of you, it's not nice. Two of us survived because one took a bullet in his chest. One of the young leaders took a bullet in his chest. I took a bullet in the head, and unfortunately, Member of Parliament, Mr. Kethamabala Sithole, did not make it.
Ungobese uthi kudingeka uhlelo oluzovikela amalunga amaqembu ombusazwe kanye nezisebenzi zikahulumeni.
There has to be some kind of mechanism to protect the public reps when they are executing their duties, irrespective of which sphere they come from. I mean, not only politicians who are dying, it's also the senior officials in the municipalities.